Gemini season is here, and if you don't know what that means, that means that it's my birthday. And I feel so blessed right now, even though it's kind of weird because of the quarantine situation and stuff, but I always have to be grateful for another year on this earth. And I'm especially grateful because I'm not alone. I have a twin sister, so I want to say happy birthday to my sister Toya. She's so awesome, and she's going to be totally embarrassed that I'm putting her on YouTube. But again, I'm so grateful for another year on this earth, and I'm grateful for you guys. And it's time to celebrate, so let's get to the video. So guys, I know that my youthful appearance is very misleading, but I was born in the 70s, so I wanted to put like a little 70s outfit for our doll. So I hope that you enjoy. This is Miss Mia. She's a fresh doll, and I love her hair. Kind of reminds me of the little afro look. So I'm going to use her to create our 70s makeover. So I'm not buying anything from the store. I'm trying to avoid going to the store as much as possible. So these are scraps that I have purchased, the little squares, and I found two that match. So I'm going to use that to make the top, and that's going to be the front of the top and the sleeves. And I'll use a similar color pattern to be the back of the top. So I'm going to glue good side to good side on 3 sides. Very, very carefully. We're not sewing anything today. Just a quick little outfit with glue. So I have 3 sides glued together, and then I'm going to use my dowel to make a measurement under the arm, on top of the arm, and around the neck. Then I'll flip it right side out. And that's how you make a really quick top, sleeveless top. So to add some sleeves, I'll take the second piece of fabric. We're going to fold it and glue the ends good side to good side. And I'm going to fold it in half and make another cut to make 2 short sleeves. Flip it right side out, and then we'll make a diagonal cut so that we could attach the sleeves to the top. So here is our sleeve, and I'm going to carefully glue. And this side right here is kind of wonky, so I'm going to try to do that one over again. So that looks a little bit better. I took it apart and put it back on. So I'm going to trim everything with this little ribbon right here. The quickest, easiest way to do a quick trim so we don't have to worry about hems. So I'm going to turn the shirt over to the back and make a cut down the middle so we can fit the doll's head through. And then I am going to add Velcro so that we could close the top once it's on our doll. And lastly, I just added some more trim around the neckline. That's a quick and easy top. No sew. Now we're going to go ahead and make a quick and easy vest with felt. I'm going to fold the felt and then kind of do a quick measurement, the widest parts of the doll. And all of these are techniques that I used in previous videos, so this is nothing new that I'm doing here. Again, we're going to make a measurement at the neck, on top of the arm, and up under the arm joints. We're going to cut. I cut a V at the neck this time, and then we'll glue the sides. Again, this is from a video with fringe that I did not too long ago, but you can go back and check all my videos for all these techniques. So I'm gonna cut down the center, flip it, and that is the quickest and easiest way to make a quick vest. Now what I want to do is add a little fringe, but first I have to pre-treat the felt. So I'm going to lay down some plastic on our workstation, and then we're going to apply glue to the felt. And you might want to use a brush, but I like getting messy when I craft. So I'm just rubbing the glue in, and then I'm also going to roll up the felt so that the glue could saturate all the way through. I need complete saturation. And when that's dry, it's going to be hard enough for us to cut up the fringe. So while that's drying, we're going to make a quick little skirt, like a patchwork, denim patchwork skirt. So I'm taking squares of denim that we cut, and I'm just going to glue piece by piece together, attached to a hem that I cut from my old pair of jeans. I'm going to carefully glue everything together. I just threw that little extra little patch in the center. And then we're going to cut it on a diagonal because I want it to kind of flare out a little, like an A-line. So I cut it at a diagonal, and then we'll glue good side to good side. Leave it open in the back. In the front, we're going to create little pleats, kind of contour it to the waist by doing a pinch and then a pleat, locking it into place with a little drop of glue. And we're going to create a belt by hemming a piece of denim fabric on the top and the bottom, and then gluing it around the top of the skirt. And then we'll have it closed with a little Velcro. So now we're going to make a hat. Again, this is from a previous video, so I'm not really doing a step-by-step. We're just giving you the quick version. I'm using cardstock to create the frame of our hat. Add a little denim fabric on there, and a couple of pieces to close up the sides. I pulled the hair into 2 ponytails, so the Afro puffs are awesome, and the hat fits right on the top. And we have to have shoes, so I'm going to try to make platform sandals, tracing out the curve of the foot really lightly. Then I'll fold at the tip of the toe, then cut out craft foam. I'm using craft foam, and then we use more carafoam to create the bottom of the foot. Used a little hot glue to kind of curve the shoe around the foot, and some more strips of felt to create the sandal straps. Then we'll carefully glue the platform that we made out of foam. And so we have cute little quick platform sandals. So now it's been a few hours, and I'm going to check on our vest. And the glue is dry. We cut up the fringe, and then I'm going to just pull the sides back. A little glue to pin the sides back. And here is our 70's doll. She's super cute. I'm feeling her. She's groovy. I don't know. What are the 70 terms from the 70's? Right on. Oh, so silly. Okay. So this was awesome. I had a little 70's theme inspired doll to commemorate the decade that I was born in. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This was super cool. I'm feeling really awesome right now because hey, it's my birthday. So thank you for watching. You guys are so amazing. I can't put it into words. Please leave comments. Hit me up on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I appreciate your comments so much, and for leaving a comment at the last video. We're going to officially welcome Pokey to the red carpet. Again, thank you so much for watching, and remember, it's more fun to make it.